And.
And.
Y.
Moreover.
Moreover.
Además.
Also.
Also.
También.
On top.
On top.
Encima.
Likewise.
Likewise.
Asimismo.
Equally.
Equally.
Igualmente.
Even.
Even.
Incluso.
In the same way.
In the same way.
De la misma manera.
Apart from that.
Apart from that.
Aparte de eso.
Added to that.
Added to that.
Sumado a eso.
But.
But.
Pero.
However.
However.
Sin embargo.
Although.
Although.
Aunque.
Nevertheless.
Nevertheless.
No obstante.
Instead.
Instead.
En cambio.
On the other hand.
On the other hand.
Por otro lado.
On the contrary.
On the contrary.
Al contrario.
In contrast.
In contrast.
En contraste.
Even so.
Even so.
Aún así.
Because.
Because.
Porque.
Since.
Since.
Ya que.
Given that.
Given that.
Dado que.
Due to.
Due to.
Debido a.
For this reason.
For this reason.
Por esta razón.
So that.
So that.
De modo que.
Then.
Then.
Entonces.
Consequently.
Consequently.
Por consiguiente.
As a result.
As a result.
En consecuencia.
Hence.
Hence.
De ahí que.
For example.
For example.
Por ejemplo.
Such as.
Such as.
Como.
In particular.
In particular.
En particular.
Specifically.
Specifically.
Específicamente.
To illustrate.
To illustrate.
Para ilustrar.
As shown by.
As shown by.
Como muestra.
A case of this.
A case of this.
Un caso de esto.
First.
First.
Primero.
Then.
Then.
Luego.
After.
After.
Después.
Later.
Later.
Más tarde.
Meanwhile.
Meanwhile.
Mientras tanto.
At the same time.
At the same time.
Al mismo tiempo.
Finally.
Finally.
Finalmente.
Lastly.
Lastly.
Por último.
In the first place.
En primer lugar.
In the first place.
Next.
Next.
A continuación.
If.
If.
Sí.
Unless.
Unless.
A menos que.
Provided that.
Provided that.
Siempre que.
In case.
In case.
En caso de que.
As long as.
As long as.
Con tal de que.
Insofar as.
Insofar as.
En la medida en que.
Supposing that.
Supposing that.
Suponiendo que.
In conclusion.
In conclusion.
En conclusión.
In summary.
In summary.
En resumen.
Ultimately.
Ultimately.
En definitiva.
Therefore.
Therefore.
Por lo tanto.
In short.
In short.
En pocas palabras.
To conclude.
To conclude.
Para finalizar.
Thus.
Thus.
Así pues.
In synthesis.
In synthesis.
En síntesis.
From all this it follows.
From all this it follows.
De todo esto se deduce.
After all.
After all.
Al fin y al cabo.
In fact.
In fact.
De hecho.
The truth is that.
The truth is that.
Lo cierto es que.
Above all.
Above all.
Sobre todo.
Particularly.
Particularly.
Particularmente.
Especially.
Especially.
Especialmente.
It is worth noting.
It is worth noting.
Cabe destacar.
Undoubtedly.
Undoubtedly.
Sin duda.
Actually.
Actually.
En realidad.
Of course.
Of course.
Por supuesto.
Most importantly.
Most importantly.
Lo más importante.
To tell the truth.
To tell the truth.
A decir verdad.
At the end of the day.
At the end of the day.
A fin de cuentas.
Broadly speaking.
Broadly speaking.
A grandes rasgos.
In the long run.
In the long run.
A la larga.
At once.
At once.
A la vez.
In view of.
In view of.
A la vista de.
Maybe.
Maybe.
A lo mejor.
Often.
Often.
A menudo.
In spite of.
In spite of.
A pesar de.
By the way.
By the way.
A propósito.
In turn.
Turn.
A su vez.
Having said that.
Having said that.
Ahora bien.
At the same time as.
At the same time as.
Al mismo tiempo que.
Regarding this.
Regarding this.
Al respecto.
Around.
Around.
Alrededor de.
Above all.
Above all.
Ante todo.
First of all.
First of all.
Antes de nada.
As well as.
As well as.
Así como.
Similarly.
Similarly.
Así mismo.
Quite.
Quite.
Bastante.
It should be mentioned.
It should be mentioned.
Cabe mencionar.
Increasingly.
Increasingly.
Cada vez más.
Hardly ever.
Hardly ever.
Casi nunca.
Close to.
Close to.
Cerca de.
With certainty.
With certainty.
Con certeza.
Frequently.
Frequently.
Con frecuencia.
Rightly.
Rightly.
Con razón.
With respect to.
With respect to.
Con respecto a.
Surely.
Surely.
Con seguridad.
Constantly.
Constantly.
Constantemente.
At least.
At least.
Cuando menos.
According to.
According to.
De acuerdo con.
In advance.
In advance.
De antemano.
In any case.
In any case.
De cualquier manera.
In that way.
In that way.
De ese modo.
In the same manner.
In the same manner.
De la misma forma.
By no means.
By no means.
De ninguna manera.
Again.
Again.
De nuevo.
Suddenly.
Suddenly.
De pronto.
Anyway.
Anyway.
De todas formas.
On one side.
On one side.
De un lado.
From time to time.
From time to time.
De vez en cuando.
Since then.
Since then.
Desde entonces.
From my point of view.
From my point of view.
Desde mi punto de vista.
In other words.
In other words.
Dicho de otra manera.
That being said.
That being said.
Dicho esto.
During.
During.
Durante.
Back then.
Back then.
En aquel entonces.
Shortly.
Shortly.
En breve.
In exchange for.
In exchange for.
En cambio de.
As a consequence of.
As a consequence of.
En consecuencia de.
Indeed.
Indeed.
En efecto.
Generally.
Generally.
En general.
Instead of.
Instead of.
En lugar de.
To a greater extent.
To a greater extent.
En mayor medida.
To a lesser extent.
To a lesser extent.
En menor medida.
At times.
At times.
En ocasiones.
Rarely.
Rarely.
En pocas ocasiones.
In the first instance.
In the first instance.
En primer término.
Right away.
Right away.
Enseguida.
In that case.
In that case.
En tal caso.
In the meantime.
In the meantime.
Entre tanto.
That is to say.
That is to say.
Es decir.
Until now.
Until now.
Hasta ahora.
To some extent.
To some extent.
Hasta cierto punto.
Nowadays.
Nowadays.
Hoy en día.
Just like.
Just like.
Igualmente que.
While.
While.
Mientras.
Never.
Never.
Nunca.
That is.
That is.
O sea.
In addition.
In addition.
Por añadidura.
For now.
For now.
Por ahora.
By the way.
By the way.
Por cierto.
Henceforth.
Henceforth.
Por ende.
Equally.
Equally.
Por igual.
As a rule.
As a rule.
Por lo común.
Generally speaking.
Generally speaking.
Por lo general.
For another reason.
For another reason.
Por otro motivo.
Separately.
Separately.
Por separado.
Just as.
Just as.
Tal como.
As soon as.
As soon as.
Tan pronto como.
On condition that.
On condition that.
A condición de que.
Unlike.
Unlike.
A diferencia de.
In order to.
In order to.
A fin de.
Throughout.
Throughout.
A lo largo de.
Starting from.
Starting from.
A partir de.
As a result of.
As a result of.
A raíz de.
On time.
On time.
A tiempo.
At last.
At last.
Al fin.
At the same level as.
At the same level as.
Al mismo nivel que.
Apparently.
Apparently.
Al parecer.
All around.
All around.
Alrededor.
Even though.
Even though.
Aunque así.
Under condition.
Under condition.
Bajo condición.
Under no circumstances.
Under no circumstances.
Bajo ninguna circunstancia.
Much more.
Much more.
Bastante más.
As a consequence.
As a consequence.
Como consecuencia.
As a result.
As a result.
Como resultado.
As if.
As if.
Como si.
Previously.
Previously.
Con anterioridad.
Based on.
Based on.
Con base en.
With the aim of.
With the aim of.
Con el fin de.
With the purpose of.
With the purpose of.
Con el propósito de.
Over time.
Over time.
Con el tiempo.
As time goes by.
As time goes by.
Con el transcurso de.
With the objective of.
With the objective of.
Con el objetivo de.
With the sole aim of.
With the sole aim of.
Con el único fin de.
All in all.
All in all.
Con todo.
In accordance with.
In accordance with.
Conforme a.
As time goes on.
As time goes on.
Conforme pasa el tiempo.
Continuously.
Continuously.
Continuamente.
When.
When.
Cuando.
Whenever.
Whenever.
Cuando sea.
Almost always.
Almost always.
Casi siempre.
According to.
According to.
De acuerdo a.
By chance.
By chance.
De casualidad.
Steadily.
Steadily.
De forma constante.
Immediately.
Immediately.
De inmediato.
In the same way.
In the same way.
De la misma suerte.
So that.
So that.
De manera que.
In no way.
In no way.
De ninguna forma.
Anew.
Anew.
De nuevo modo.
On the other side.
On the other side.
De otro lado.
Otherwise.
Otherwise.
De otra forma.
In another way.
In another way.
De otro modo.
Suddenly that.
Suddenly that.
De pronto que.
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden.
De súbito.
From now on.
From now on.
Desde ahora.
Since.
Since.
Desde que.
Behind.
Behind.
Detrás de.
Put differently.
Put differently.
Dicho en otras palabras.
Wherever.
Wherever.
Donde quiera que.
From now on.
From now on.
En adelante.
Increasingly.
Increasingly.
En aumento.
In either case.
In either case.
En cualquier caso.
Definitively that.
Definitively that.
En definitiva que.
Deep down.
Deep down.
En el fondo.
Instantly.
Instantly.
En el instante.
The moment that.
The moment that.
En el momento en que.
At present.
At present.
En la actualidad.
Essentially.
Essentially.
En lo esencial.
Instead of.
Instead of.
En lugar de que.
On more than one occasion.
On more than one occasion.
En más de una ocasión.
In no case.
In no case.
En ningún caso.
Particularly that.
Particularly that.
En particular que.
In proportion to.
In proportion to.
En proporción a.
In that sense.
In that sense.
En tal sentido.
Until then.
Until then.
Hasta entonces.
Until.
Until.
Hasta que.
Here is that.
Here is that.
He aquí que.
After that.
After that.
Luego de que.
To be added.
To be added.
Por añadirse.
Consequently that.
Consequently that.
Por consiguiente que.
By default.
By default.
Por defecto.
For this cause.
For this cause.
Por esta causa.
At last.
At last.
Por fin.
By means of.
By means of.
Por medio de.
In exchange for.
In exchange for.
A cambio de.
Following.
Following.
A continuación de.
In the short term.
In the short term.
A corto plazo.
Unlike that.
Unlike that.
A diferencia de que.
At the same time as.
At the same time as.
A la par que.
In spite of this.
In spite of this.
A pesar de ello.
Knowing that.
Knowing that.
A sabiendas de que.
Even when.
Even when.
Aun cuando.
Even more.
Even more.
Aún más.
Under certain conditions.
Under certain conditions.
Bajo ciertas condiciones.
Much less.
Much less.
Bastante menos.
Every so often.
Every so often.
Cada tanto.
As an addition.
As an addition.
Como añadido.
As a consequence of.
As a consequence of.
Como consecuencia de.
At least.
At least.
Como mínimo.
Like never before.
Like never before.
Como nunca.
As usually happens.
As usually happens.
Como suele pasar.
Ahead of time.
Ahead of time.
Con antelación.
Clearly.
Clearly.
Con claridad.
With perseverance.
With perseverance.
Con constancia.
As often as.
As often as.
Con frecuencia que.
With greater reason.
With greater reason.
Con mayor razón.
With less reason.
With less reason.
Con menor razón.
On the occasion of.
On the occasion of.
Con motivo de.
Afterwards.
Afterwards.
Con posterioridad.
Promptly.
Promptly.
Con prontitud.
With great ease.
With great ease.
Con suma facilidad.
With all this.
With all this.
Con todo esto.
Whenever needed.
Whenever needed.
Cuando haga falta.
At least that.
At least that.
Cuando menos que.
Whose purpose.
Whose purpose.
Cuyo fin.
Somehow.
Somehow.
De algún modo.
Willingly.
Willingly.
De buena gana.
In a certain way.
In a certain way.
De cierta manera.
Usually.
Usually.
De costumbre.
Suddenly.
Suddenly.
De golpe.
In the same manner.
In the same manner.
De igual manera.
Of the same kind.
Of the same kind.
De la misma índole.
In the same way that.
In the same way that.
De la misma suerte que.
In a different way.
In a different way.
De manera distinta.
In another style.
In another style.
De otro estilo.
Of another kind.
Of another kind.
De otra índole.
Fully.
Fully.
De pleno.
Suddenly.
Suddenly.
De repente.
More than enough.
More than enough.
De sobra.
Soon.
Soon.
Dentro de poco.
From within.
From within.
Desde dentro.
From outside.
From outside.
Desde fuera.
From my perspective.
From my perspective.
Desde mi perspectiva.
Put clearly.
Put clearly.
Dicho claramente.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Donde sea.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
En absoluto.
At that moment.
At that moment.
En aquel momento.
Otherwise.
Otherwise.
En caso contrario.
Indirect consequence.
Indirect consequence.
En consecuencia directa.
Ultimately then.
Ultimately then.
En definitiva pues.
In the case that.
In the case that.
En el caso de que.
In the future.
In the future.
En el futuro.
In the same sense.
In the same sense.
En el mismo sentido.
In most cases.
In most cases.
En la mayoría de los casos.
As far as possible.
As far as possible.
En la medida de lo posible.
In a different place.
In a different place.
En lugar distinto.
On more occasions.
On more occasions.
En más ocasiones.
At no time.
At no time.
En ningún momento.
In another case.
In another case.
En otro caso.
At first.
At first.
En primer instante.
In proportion with.
In proportion with.
En proporción con.
As soon as.
As soon as.
Enseguida que.
In summary that.
In summary that.
En síntesis que.
Among others.
Among others.
Entre otros.
To a certain limit.
To a certain limit.
Hasta cierto límite.
Up to now.
Up to now.
Hasta el momento.
To date.
To date.
Hasta la fecha.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Hasta pronto. Puedes volver a repetir estos conectores las veces que desees. Mientras más repeticiones hagas, estarás cada vez más cerca de dominar el inglés y aumentar tus ingresos. Si en verdad quieres seguir aprendiendo, deja un comentario diciendo "Quiero aprender con el Club del Inglés 365". Además síguenos y suscríbete a nuestro canal, es totalmente gratis. Y como siento tu entusiasmo por aprender inglés, he seleccionado un vídeo especial para ti. Ahora mismo en pantalla te dejo más repeticiones para que sigas mejorando tu nivel de inglés. Haz clic en el vídeo y lleva tu inglés a otro nivel.